Have you ever been in a group project where things went wrong? Suddenly, a friend tells the teacher it was all your fault. It feels terrible to be blamed for something you didn't do just to save someone else. This is what it means to throw someone under the bus. Imagine Sarah is at her office. Her coworker Tom just told their boss that Sarah forgot to send an important report. Sarah looks out the window at the empty street and says, "But Tom, there are no buses here. Why would you throw me under one?" To throw someone under the bus is a figurative expression. It means you sacrifice a friend or coworker to protect yourself from trouble. The phrase likely comes from British politics in the 1970s, describing politicians who abandon their allies to gain power. Now, let's see the correct way to use it. In a meeting, the manager asks why the company website crashed. Instead of blaming the new intern, Mark said, "I'm sorry, it was my mistake." Mark did not throw his coworker under the bus. Example 1. Don't throw your brother under the bus just because you broke the vase. This means do not blame him. Example 2. The CEO threw the manager under the bus for the losses. This means the CEO blamed the manager for the failure. To remember this, think of a big yellow bus. Imagine someone pushing a friend toward it while they run away safely. It is a selfish act. Just remember, bus starts with B and so does blame. When you throw someone under the bus, you give them the blame. This idiom reflects the high value placed on loyalty and teamwork in Western cultures. Being a team player is very important. You will hear this phrase often in movies like The Devil Wears Prada and in news stories about business and sports. Similar phrases include hanging someone out to dry, making someone a scapegoat, or backstabbing a friend. The opposites are having someone's back, taking the fall for a mistake, or sticking up for a friend. A common grammar mistake is forgetting the word the. Always say throw under the bus, not just throw under bus. Also, don't use this for small accidents. Use it when someone intentionally blames another person to save themselves from a problem. Time for a quick quiz. If John blames Mary for his mistake to stay out of trouble, what did he do? Is it A, B, or C? Choice A, he helped her. Choice B, he threw her under the bus. Or choice C, he bought her a bus ticket. The correct answer is B. He threw her under the bus because he blamed her for his own mistake. Great job! Today we learned that throwing someone under the bus means blaming them to save yourself. It is a very common idiom. Mastering idioms like this will help you understand native speakers better and improve your communication skills in English. Have you ever been thrown under the bus? Tell us your story in the comments. If you enjoyed today's content, please like and subscribe or support us with super thanks. See you in the next video.